installing a sofa bed in the back of my VW T5. Now obviously this is a sofa bed, so it doesn't have seat belts, it's not crash tested, and I can't carry passengers. This is purely going to be used as a bed for when I go camping. I needed to figure out a way of stopping the bed from moving around and fitting it securely in the back of the van. Now to do this I didn't want to drill through the van, so I decided I would use the existing lashing down points. So to achieve this I made up some L brackets and fitted them to the back frame of the bed. So with the lashing point removed, I was left with an M10 thread. So I used some M10 threaded bar, basically using a square washer and some nuts, then secured that into the original lashing down point. Now with everything in place, my L brackets and my M10 threaded bar in place, I needed to then figure out a way of clamping the bed into place. So I used G-clamps. These G-clamps are M10. I used to use them when I was a plumber for hanging pipework at high level. Now you can screw these G-clamps straight onto the threaded bar, locking them off obviously with an M10 nut either side of the G-clamp to make it nice and secure and tight. Then by inserting the L-shaped brackets that I've made on the back of the bed frame, I can then slide that into the clamp, then clamp it down nice and tight so the bed doesn't move. Now with this method that I've chosen, I don't have to drill any holes through the van. I've used the existing lashing down points on the rear of the van. By removing them, replacing it with an M10 threaded bar, some L brackets that I've fabricated up and fitted to the back of the bed frame, a couple of clamps, job done. The beauty with this is I can then loosen these clamps back off if I need to remove the bed, so then I can use the van again as a panel van. Hope this might help someone out. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, more to come soon. Thank you for watching.